Hi everyone and welcome to Germany for Student channel. Today is lesson number 39 of A2 level of German language course. Today is the second last lesson of A2 level of German language course and today's topic is Welch and diese. Welch is a question word and it can be used to ask a question about a specific thing, and diese is a demonstrative pronoun which is used in the answer that is asked by using a question word welche. So let's start the lesson. We know that in German language we have different nouns and each noun has a specific gender. And whenever we use these nouns like book, table, house, car, etc., we have to use a specific article or a specific ending if we are using adjective or we are using the possessive pronoun for that noun. So same rule will apply for Welsh and same rule will apply for diese. So Welsh can be Welsche, Welscher, Welschen or Welsham depending on nominative, accusative or dative case, and also depending on whether the noun that we are referring to is a masculine, feminine, neuter, or a plural noun. So let's have a look at first the endings that we have to use in case of nominative case. In nominative case, if we are asking about a noun that is masculine, we have to use welcher, and if we are referring to a noun in the normal sentence, then it has to be dieser. In case of accusative, it will be welchen, diesen, dative, welchem, diesem. In case of feminine noun, if we are asking about any noun in nominative case, then we have to use welche or diese. In case of accusative, again welche and diese, so no change between nominative and accusative. For feminine, welcher and dieser in case of dative. In case of neuter, in nominative case, it will be welches and dieses. In accusative, it will remain welches and dieses. And in case of dative, for a neuter noun, if we are asking about any noun that is neuter, we have to ask the question with welchem. And in case of an answer, we can use diesem. In case of plural, it will be welche and diese. In case of nominative and also for accusative, it will be welche and diese. In case of dative, it will be welchen and diesen. So now let's have a look at some examples or questions first that we can ask by using the question word welche. Welche Farbe hat dein Auto? So here we are asking about the specific color of the car. So we will use this question word Welch. And since Farbe is a feminine noun and we are using this Farbe in nominative case, so we will use Welche Farbe hat dein Auto? Which color your car has? Welches Buch liest du gerade? Which book are you reading now? Now, since the book is being read, so it is in accusative case, and in accusative case for a neuter noun Buch, we will use welches. So, welches Buch liest du gerade? Welchen Film haben Sie gestern im Kino gesehen? Which film have you seen yesterday in cinema? Now, in this sentence, film is being seen, so film is the object of sentence, and object of sentence is always accusative. So, in case of masculine noun film, we have to use the en ending for a masculine noun in accusative case. So, Welsh becomes Welschen. Welchen Film haben Sie gestern im Kino gesehen? Im is the short form of in dem and kino is the neuter noun. And this question is in perfect tense, so we are using haben and Participe zwei form of sehen is gesehen. Next example, welchem Verein gehörst du? Which organization do you belong to? Now, why we have used here welchem is because we have used gehören verb, and gehören verb is a dative verb. Therefore, we have to use the ending from a dative case for Welch. So it is welchem Verein gehörst du? Welche Sprache spricht Lisa? Which language does Lisa speak? Now, Sprache is again a feminine noun, and it is used as accusative case because it is being spoken and it is the object of sentence. Object of sentence is always accusative. Mit welchem Auto fährst du zur Arbeit? With which car do you travel to the work? Since mit is a dative preposition, so we have to apply dative rules on the next part of the sentence, which is welchem Auto. Auto is a neuter noun, so we have to use the ending of Welch for neuter noun Auto from dative case, which is welchem. Now let's have a look at the demonstrative pronoun diese, dieser, diesen, or diesem and see that how we can use these in different cases. Ich habe diesen Brief gestern verschickt. I posted this letter yesterday. Now, in this sentence, we are using brief in the accusative case because it is being posted. Therefore, we have to apply the rule of accusative. And the rule of accusative is that we have to use en at the end of these. So we will use diesen. Brief is a masculine noun, so we have to apply the corresponding ending. Kannst du dieses Buch bitte zurück ins Regal stellen? Can you please put that book back in the shelf? Now, in this sentence, we are using modal verb können and we are conjugating it according to subject do. So können becomes kannst. And whenever we have a modal verb in the sentence and then we start the question with the modal verb. Kannst du dieses Buch? Now, Buch is a neuter noun, and because it is being put on a shelf, therefore, book is object of the sentence, and object of sentence is always accusative. Therefore, we will apply the rule of accusative case for a neuter noun Buch, and we will use the ending dieses. Ins is the short form of in, thus, Regal is a neuter noun. Wir haben diesen Film letzte Woche im Kino gesehen. We have seen this film last week in the cinema. Now again in this sentence, film is being used as object of sentence because it is being seen. It is the object of sentence. Object of sentence is accusative, so we have to use the ending for a masculine noun film from accusative case, which is diesen. And this sentence is in perfect form, which means we have to use haben or sein verb at the second position of the sentence and conjugate it according to subject. Subject is wir, so haben remains haben, and participe zwei form is used at the last position of the sentence. Im Kino, im is again the short form of in dem. Kannst du diesem Kind bei den Hausaufgaben helfen? Can you help this child with the homework? Now you have to tell me why we have used diesem in this sentence for kind. Kind is a neuter noun, but why we have used diesem? Diesem is the ending for dative. Can you identify that why we have used diesem in this sentence. And that's all from lesson number 39. I hope that the topic is clear to you. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment. And next lesson will be the last lesson for A2 level of German language course. Please provide your feedback regarding A2 level. Did you find it easy? Was it difficult? How would you like the B1 level to be? Please give me your recommendations, your choices, so that I can design B1 level for you. Thank you. Bye.